is another interstitial example. But the one on the bottom over there was reticular. This is nodular. Now, how many sizes of nodules did we say? Because this is nodular and this is nodular. Are they different sizes?
Yeah,
Yeah. Are these bigger or smaller?
bigger.
Significantly larger than these are. These are like little white pencil dots. They're not multiple centimeters. They're not 5 to 8. They're not
Milliary.
3 to 5. There's only one size left.
1 to 2.
1 to 2. These are the little tiny miliary 1 to 2. This is the pattern we typically call miliary. And this too is nonspecific, just like the reticular is nonspecific. Just like the reticular is nonspecific. And TB, which this was, is a common one to do this. But silicosis does it, viral pneumonia does it. There's a number of things that do that, just like reticular. This is nodular. You see how much more dense this is? And they're larger, aren't they? I mean, they just look bigger. Yeah. This is the 5 to 8. And there's not much difference between 3 to 5 and 5 to 8. The difference is density, though. Density. Because 5 to 8 gives a lot more density. When you replace air, you get a lot more density than you do just by thickening the interstitium. Thickening the wall of the interstitium, yeah, you get an increase in the density, but you still got lots of air. Once you start replacing air, you get a lot more density and a lot more symptom because you're losing surface area for gaseous exchange. This is the cells of blood, pus, water, protein cells. And this is an acinonodular pattern, which is a very, very uncommon consolidation pattern. But it was one of our bilateral patterns. So this is nodular, 1 to 2 millimeter, very tiny. This is in the 5 to 8, and I would put most of these in the around 5, not 8. I put most of these around 5. Well, the 3 to 5 looks just like this, just not as dense. Not as dense as this. This was a resorption atelectasis. We already looked at one of those over there. This was also resorption. This one's exactly the opposite of the one by the door over there. One by the door was left lower. This is left upper. There's the major. There's the major. We even know where it should be because there's the one on the other side. So it went from here to here and from here to here. Left upper low. Look at the density here. Left upper low. Diaphragm, way up at the back. Patients over 40, what do they have? Bronchogenic carcinoma. They have a tumor until proven otherwise. Atelectasis, left upper lobe, secondary to bronchogenic carcinoma. Exactly. Okay? We did it.